Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills Estate Agents. I'm on Alder Street on the popular Chimney Pot Park development to show you this immaculately presented 2-bedroom property. As we head inside, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway, and in the typical upside down layout we have 2 double bedrooms to the ground floor, which is nicely presented as you can see. A nice modern 3-piece bathroom with a typical sunken bath as well. And in the main bedroom, got the light well just through here, making it a nice cozy space. Property is within walking distance of Salford Quays in Media City, so it's great for people that are looking to be close to amenities as well. And it's also really close to transport links throughout Manchester too. As we get into the first floor, we've got the kitchen diner, just a large space, nice and bright and airy, with plenty of natural light coming through. The sliding doors leading out into the garden terrace to the rear. And as we head upstairs, this property is slightly different as they have a glass balustrade instead, making it nice, bright and airy lounge area to the top. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.